The Tangem Ring. One ring to rule them all. Or, in this case, pay for whatever you want, lol. Uh, this is a new hardware wallet. It's a prototype created by Tangem. Tangem is a crypto asset hardware wallet solutions company, and they've created this and something that's going to be released to the public soon. Want to know more? Stay tuned. Hello everyone, my name is Jutan Al Ahmed, and today we're not unboxing something. I've actually already unboxed this. It's a prototype that was sent to me. It's the Tangem Ring, and it just came in a little envelope type thing which was posted to me. So that's why it's not a real unboxing or anything. However, I wanted to create this content in this video to show you close-ups of the whole product, and it's amazing. Just I've been holding it and I haven't actually fully played around with it, but I just want to show you guys close-ups of this ring. So as you can see, it says Tangem in the inner part. This is a prototype, just so you're all aware. Okay, I'm going through the whole thing slowly, as you guys can see there. Tangem, very, very shiny. It's my precious. Look, lol. Anyways, yeah. Do you know what? Do you know what I love? The fact that Tangem actually go with that whole Lord of the Rings concept as well. Of the Smeagol and my precious and one ring to rule them all. But yeah, this is a hardware wallet. Um, it's amazing. It's portable. It's EAL6 certified. Hopefully, by the way, everything that I'm mentioning here, this should be the specs. Obviously, they may change stuff or whatever, but this is a prototype as I've mentioned like 50 times already. But yeah, EAL7 certified. It's waterproof, dust resistant, extreme weather conditions as well. It's a chip just with an antenna. It's counterfeit protected, so the app basically verifies the authenticity of the chip and firmware every time. And this has actually been audited by external companies as well. As I mentioned, it's got extreme temperature resistance, including other factors like X-ray and EMPs. Lol, like who would be using an EMP? Basically, this is war resistant. Lol, that's so bad to say, but yeah, actually that's messed up. So you can generate the seed phrase on this. You can generate your own seed phrase. I believe you can do up to 24 words now with the new update and stuff. But you can also import your seed phrase. Just so you're aware, regarding Tangem security, right? One of the things that I have to give props to them about is the fact that the seed phrase is randomly generated where nobody knows about it. It does it through the security element automatically within itself. Therefore, nobody has access to it. That's probably the safest form of having your seed phrase secured. Obviously, some people would like to write it down. This uses the BIP39 standard, but yeah, I think that's an excellent way to basically secure your crypto assets. Obviously, if you do want any more updates regarding this, especially when it comes out, a discount code when it comes out, do subscribe to my channel because I'm going to be giving all that information as soon as it comes out, basically. So you can use this to buy, sell, and swap crypto. Soon, I believe you'll be able to use it to also stake. Right now, you can't earn anything with it, from what I do know. That's just with Tangem as a whole, from what I've seen, part of their product line and on the app itself. How do you secure this? Through biometrics and an access code. So you put in your own access code. I will be showing you all a setup process of how you actually set this up on the application. So do keep tabs of when I upload that content, and yeah, we'll go through it together, just so when you guys purchase your own one and you receive it, you'll be able to go through it smoothly. Let's see and test how it fits on my fingers. As you guys already know, I love my rings. Sadly, this is actually too big for me, lol. I was thinking of, so I actually wear two rings here. My other one, I've just left it somewhere right now. But yeah, I normally wear two rings like this. So I'm probably thinking when I purchase the one that they officially release, I'm gonna buy it and keep it on my thumb, just so I have it like this. But yeah, I think this looks really, really nice. It's I don't know if you guys can hear that. It's very, very tough in my opinion. They should last a lifetime, as they say. I'm just going to show you a quick comparison to. Uh, yes, I've got one of these old school wallets, which is for parking and stuff like this lot. But yeah, comparing it to a pound, right? So comparing it to £1 is very, very thin. Let's compare it to two £1. I don't know if it's going to be thicker the wider that you go, or if it's going to be this thickness regardless of how like the width of your fingers. That's going to be interesting to see, right? I think they're just giving out one size for now. I don't know if they're doing all sizes, but they should have quite a few sizes. It fits on this finger, just so you do know. The reason I don't wear it on that is because, as I don't know if you all do know, but I'm a Muslim and it's actually not permissible to wear on these two fingers. That's why I've got rings everywhere else, lot, because I love my jewelry. Also, if you didn't know, I've actually got discount code which you can all use. You can all get 10% off directly right now for any of their products on their website. Just use JBINZALA and that'll give you 10% off. And yeah, it's something that you should realistically get. Tangem, from my personal opinion, one of the best companies out there regarding innovation. And look at this. Who else has done something like this? This is something that definitely I think will be mainstream. It'll be something that everybody has because, for example, it doesn't fit my finger right now, right? But I'm gonna be like keeping it on my security key. Just keep it on my necklace there and my lanyard or whatever. Keep it on that, and yeah, I can use it like that. Anyway, let's hide that. But yeah, so this is something definitely to look into and do your own research on, and something I highly recommend. This is really like peak innovation for crypto assets and trying to make everything mainstream. Um, we obviously know that Ledger and stuff have their own stacks, this and that. Yeah, it looks pretty and stuff, but let's think about usability here, right? NFC, tap and go. They've Tangem's actually getting their own thing out called Tangem Pay. That's hopefully that's going to be using your hardware wallet and basically just paying stuff. Obviously, there's other technology out there like the CL card, Crypto.com card, this and that. But imagine just a ring is something that you carry with you. I forgot my wallet. I have my ring. Lol. One ring to rule them all, as Tangem says, and as yeah, we know where that reference is from. I don't know if that reference is trademarked. Lol. Anywho, yeah, I hope you did enjoy this video. If you did, pop a thumbs up. Do subscribe to my channel if you're new here. And if you want no, not if you want crypto, sorry. If you want to see content regarding crypto, lol, and stuff like this, I do tech videos as well. But yeah, do stay tuned. And lastly, let's not forget, together, let's break free from the shackles of modern slavery. I'll see you all in my next video. Take care. Bye bye.